Sup YouTube, Dirty Diesel here, tinting my windows. So I was gonna show you one. That one's done. First thing I gotta say is you're gonna want to clean your windows real well. Probably best to use some steel wool, because on this one there's like, you know how your window develops like a line on these sliders here? It just wasn't perfect, so this one might bubble in the future. Pain in my ass, I'm telling you. But, so I guess, you know, if you're not really talented, or if you're super worried about perfect windows, you should probably take them somewhere. But this is the cheap route. I think it was like 30 bucks for the tint. As you can see the difference, that's clear as day. And that's nice and dark. I could see the rack. Oh, that's just... No, that's the rack. There you go. Alright, so clean it real good. See, I could see the slide marks on this here too. And I just cleaned it. So steel wool would probably be the best. Let's see, you got to take your door cards off. Where did I put the window juice? I don't know where I put the window. There it is. Need some windshield cleaner. You're going to, once you clean the window, you have to take the door card off, the gore card, so it can be below the line there of the window seal. So get it real wet. And then you take this window here. Doubt I'll be able to show you this because I got to do it one-handed here. I doubt. Oh, maybe. So this window here, I know you're looking up at the sky, come on this sheet and they're like laser cut or something. So you take it, actually get your hand a little wet so you don't fingerprint it when you peel it off of here. Try and find a good place to peel it from. Man, this one don't want to peel. It's not appealing. It's on the other side. Must be the, yeah, okay, so I grabbed the wrong window. Let's see, because that would be the back window. Other side, so let me grab this one. You gotta make sure which one you're putting on too. This is an eBay kit, so get my hand wet again. It's the really dark, lustrous side that peels off, I just figured out. So, get it peeling. Oh, I just tore it, dude. Alright, there's a lesson. Be very careful when you're peeling it, because that isn't perfectly cut. That's messed up. That's very messed up. Oh well. That's why I start on the passenger side first. Get it real wet. And I didn't tell you that, but I'll tell you now. Start on the passenger side because you'll have a little imperfections. Alright. So now that I got this nice and wet, you bring it over to your wet window. Let's see if I could set this up here. So this is that side. Try and get it centered somewhat. It's not too easy to move around, even though it should be. It's not. It's sticky. That's looking too good. Too good. Not bad. Alright, you gotta have one of these guys. Buy a window tinting kit, like install kit. You'll get a squeegee with it and a razor knife or whatever. I don't need the razor knife. Looks like this one's gonna be just a cunt hair off. Nah, that's good. Lay it on there good. Okay. Once you get to this point, here, I'll grab this for you. Maybe I can see what I'm doing here. Once you get to this point, you're gonna want to kind of go from the center to the edges, because that way you won't get creases. Ooh, I heard one there. Oh, I heard one there. Yeah. Get all of that out of there. That way you'll have a good chance at it drying. I'm trying to get this done before winter because, oh, here's another thing I'll have to show you because it doesn't dry in the winter. So, it's getting close here. Yeah. I'm pumped. So, the edge here is setting on like a little piece of rubber. So, let me get my razor knife. I'll have to be careful here as I hold this. It won't, oh, you got to cut more back than down, like if you get what I mean. Don't put pressure on the tip of the, or put only pressure on the tip pulling backwards. Don't try and like point down. You got to kind of slide with it or else it'll, oh, there's my cut. It'll tear the tint. It's not a perfect thing, like I said. If you want a professional to do it, just go spend the money. I did the tint on my Super Duty a while back, and it's still good. I recommend, if you're gonna get it off eBay or something, get like the darkest you can get, because after 7 years, it's like light tint. Because another thing is say you buy some stuff that says it's 3M tint or something, it's fake. I don't know what to tell you. Your best option literally is to go to the tint guys. Ooh, nice sounds. Real nice sounds. I'm getting there. I'm fine. This car is probably only going to last another 5 or 7 years anyways. It's got fairly high mileage. It's not like I don't maintain it, but probably ain't going to last that much longer. It's got like almost 300,000 miles. But there you go. I know it's not a perfect video, guys, but you know, this is the real world. So, hope you enjoy it and have fun tinting your car. Dirty Diesel out.